Can you believe that 3 minutes is all it takes to solve this equation, that too without using a calculator? So, hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's find out the solution of this equation, that too without using a calculator. So, without further ado, let's jump into the solution. Here we go. We can write this 7 to the power 5 as 7 to the power 4 into 7. Let's keep the second term as is. This 7 to the power 3, we can write it as 7 to the power 2 into 7 plus 7 to the power 2 plus 7 to the power 1. Now, let's take common 7 to the power 4. Then the remains is 7 plus 1. Same way, let's take 7 to the power 2 here as common and 7 plus 1 remains from this term plus remaining 7. Let's simplify this further. 7 to the power 4, 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 7 to the power 2, 7 plus 1 is 8 plus remaining 7. We can take the 8 as common from this term. Let me underline it for the clarity. Taking the 8 as common, 7 to the power 4 plus 7 to the power 2 plus remaining 7. Now we can take the 7 to the power 2 also common from this term. So it would be 7 to the power 2, remaining is 7 to the power 2 plus 1, and this 8 I am going to write it here, and remaining is plus 7. 7 square is 49 into 7 square is 49 plus 1 into 8 plus 7. We can write this 49 as 50 minus 1, and we can write this 49 plus 1 as 50, remaining is into 8 plus 7. To simplify it further, we can keep this 50 minus 1 same, and this is 15 into 8 is nothing but 400 plus 7. Multiply with 400 to the each term of this bracket, which would be 50 into 400 minus 400 plus 7. 5 fours are 20. 20,000 minus 400 plus 7, which is nothing but 20,000 minus 400 would be 19,600 plus 7, and the answer should be 19,607. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you have understood the solution of this problem statement. If you found this video very informative, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. Thank you so much. Happy learning.